Hi all. Have you guys ever heard of the term tickets? You might have heard, right? So what is actually a ticket? Ticket is nothing but the way customers let us know their problems or issues. They might be having some issues or questions regarding some products or something, right? Odoo has a module which manages all these tickets related activities, which is called the help desk module. So inside the help desk, you can manage tickets, you can set priorities for the tickets, you can change or convert a ticket to a task, you can post it to a forum, everything. You can do everything inside the help desk module regarding a ticket. So let's move forward and look what all things we can do inside the help desk module. Okay, so now let's get into the help desk module. This is the help desk, so I'm opening it. Inside the help desk, you can see the overview. Okay, so here you have different tickets, different teams and all. Now, first thing I'm going to do is create a team. Okay, so for that we have to go to the configuration, and inside the configuration we have teams. So I'm opening the teams there, and you can see the already created, that is the pre-created teams here, which are VIP support care, customer care, test and all. Now if you want, you can create one by clicking the create button there. Now here I'm giving a name as new team. Okay, now here you can describe your team to your colleagues and customers. So I'm not giving any description and all. Then you have the company here, and here you have the assignment and visibility section. Okay, so here we can set the visibility of the team. Okay, so here you can see that users to whom this team will be visible. So we can choose who all can see this team. Okay, so we have three options, which are invited internal users, all internal users, and invited portal users and all internal users. So from these three you can choose whatever you want. Okay, so currently we have chosen all internal users and also invited portal users. Okay, so let it be there. Then we have follow all teams tickets, that is receive notification whenever tickets are created, rated or discussed on this team. Okay, so when tickets corresponding to this team is created or rated, what a notification should be received, that is set here. Then we have the followers, that to whom all the notification should go. So the followers we can set it from here. So I'm choosing Anita. You can choose multiple followers. Apple. I'm also setting Michelle admin. Okay, that's it. Then we have the automatic assignment. Okay, so the automatic assignment is to automate the assignment of new ticket to the right people and make sure all tickets are being handled. That is, multiple tickets will be generated. Okay, while generating a ticket, they can assign this ticket to a particular team. So while assigning this to a team, in a team means there will be a lot of members, right? So this is to automatically assign to any of the team members. So if you just check that, you can see here each user is assigned as equal number of tickets. That is, both the if there are two users in a team. Okay, just imagine that there are two users in a team. So both of them will be having the equal amount of tickets in their hands. Okay, then we have each user has equal number of open tickets. Okay, so both of them have open tickets. So to balance that, accordingly the tickets will be distributed among them. So to whom and all this should be distributed, we can choose it from here. So I'm choosing Michelle admin and Mark demo. Okay, we don't have Mark demo here, so we'll choose some other person. Okay, so tickets will be distributed among these two users. Okay, so we have two different options for automatic assignment. One is to balance the number of open tickets for both the users, and also one is to balance the number of tickets. Okay, then on the other hand, we have the channels here. Okay, so we have email alias, live chat, and also website form. So create tickets by sending mail to an alias. So we can create tickets through email alias, live chat, and also website form. So which all ways you want, you can just check those check boxes. Okay, then we have the track and bill. That is, if you want to add time sheet for this team. Okay, so we'll be creating a lead and we'll choose different teams, right? So if you want to record that is, if you want to record the time you spend on that ticket, you can just check this time sheet here. And you also have the time billing. So if you want to bill the time that you spend on tickets of your customers, you can just check that also. So I'm checking both. And here you can also choose the project if you want. Okay, so You can leave it as such also, no problem. Then we have the performance, where we have the SLA policies and also the customer rating. Okay, so under the SLA policies, you can see that make sure tickets are handled on time. We can create SLA policies directly through the configuration settings. So we are enabling what SLA policies for this team. Okay, so this is to make them more punctual, or make sure that all these tickets are handled on time. Okay, then we have the customer rating, that is track customer satisfaction on tickets. So the customer's rating on this ticket can be tracked by using the customer ratings. Then we have the self-service section, where we have the knowledge, which is our knowledge module. Then we have the e-learning section, okay, where we can share presentations, videos, and organize them into the courses. You know what e-learning is used for, right? Then we have the closure by customer, that is customers, if I issued a ticket and I am the customer, I have the option to close my ticket. Okay, so if you want to enable that option, you can just do that from here. And you have community forum, that is let your customer answer each other's questions on a forum. Okay, then we have the automatic closing, that is once it's done, the tickets will automatically close. Okay, so tickets which are inactive, such tickets will close automatically. Then we have the after sales section, where we have refunds, returns, field service, coupons, and repairs. So I'll enable all of them and we'll see how each of them works. So I've enabled all of them. You can see refunds. What are refunds? We'll issue credit notes. So you know what credit notes are, right? We use them in sales and all. So here we have the coupons, okay, where you can discount, grand discount for the products, and we have repair here. Similarly, we have returns and also field service here. Okay, so that's enough. I'll just save it here, clicking on save manually. Okay, so here you can see the tickets corresponding to this team. This is a new team, so this team has 0 tickets. Then how many hours are recorded, repairs, and SLA policies. Now let's create each of them and then come back to this team and see what are the changes coming in the smart tabs. Okay, so first we'll go under the configuration and create SLA policies. So here we have the pre-created SLA policies. If you want to create new one, just click on create here and we'll give the same name, that is close urgent tickets within 36 hours or something. Okay, so I've created a SLA policy. You can give the description corresponding to this policy underneath in this field. And we have the criteria where you can choose the team. So I'll choose the team which we created right now. Okay, so currently there is the team customer care. So we are going to put our team inside that team. Okay, so as much SLA policies you create for your team, that will be able to choose inside the tickets we create corresponding to the team you create. Okay, so here we have the new team which we created, and also you can set priority for this SLA policy. So I'm putting the high priority. You can add the types from here, whether it's an issue or a question and all. So I'm putting it as issue. Also I'll put question. Then we have tags here. So let's put repair, service. Okay. Then we can add customers if you want. So I'm not adding any customers and all. And also sale order items. Then we have target here. Okay, our target is to reach the stage solved. So that target is given here. If you want, you can change it to new, in progress and all. So obviously I'm putting it in solved itself. Now we have the how much working hours you should solve it. That is also here given here. You can easily edit it and change it. So I'm giving it as 5 hours. Okay. Now the excluding stages, you can add it from here. So I'm leaving it and all. Let's save it. Okay, it's saved. Now let's go back. Inside the configuration, we have stages, types and all. Now before that, let's create the ticket. So I'm going to the menu which is tickets, and here we have all tickets. Clicking on that. Inside my tickets, you can see all the tickets corresponding to you. So here you can see all the tickets which are created. Let's create a new one. Clicking on create there. Now here you can see on the top bar, assign to me, create task and share on forum. Now according to the team which you choose, this changes. So here you can see the default team is customer care. So once you've chosen customer care, only these much options have come. So just see if I choose new team, you can see it has changed, right? Repair coupon and create task is come. Now this is assigned to the user I've chosen in the team. Okay. Then we have the option here to give the name, that is the, I'll give ticket 1 or something. Okay. Then we have the option to set what? The priority. Okay, I'm setting the priority here. You have the option to set type. I'm setting it as issue. Then let me put a tag which is service. And here I'm choosing the customer. So I'll choose Deco and all his details have come. Okay. Then inside the description, you can put a description regarding this ticket. So I'm putting there is an issue with the product. Okay, just a description, that is what is this ticket about and all, you can give it inside the description. Okay, so here we have refund, return, repair, coupon, create task and all. Okay, so now we also have timesheet here, so you can record the hours spent on this particular ticket. Okay, so I'm just saving it. Okay, now here you can see the refund. Okay, and also you can see the start button has come. So if I want to record the time, I'll just click on start here, which means I've started working on this ticket. And after I finish it, I can just stop it from here. A wizard will come. So by default, the time will be 15 seconds. Okay, it's 15 minutes. Okay, that's the minimum time. So I'll change it and put the time whatever I want, and I'm saving it. If you want, you can describe the activity, what all things you did on this particular time period. Saving it. So here you can see in the timesheet a line is added. So there is no description, that's why a slash came there. Okay, so that's done. Again, if you want, you can start the timer, stop it and add multiple lines. Until you finish the work, you can do that. You can repeat that step. Next, you have the option to refund it. Okay, refund it means you can add or you can issue a credit note. Then before that, we'll create a task. We'll create a task out of this ticket. Okay, just clicking on create task. So here is the option, that is the window. So here you can create a field service task. So the name of the ticket is taken as the title of the task. So if you want, you can change the project from here. So I'm keeping it as such. Then the worksheet template, also the customer is added. And just click on create task. The task is created. If you want to view the task, you can do that from there. So here you can see the smart tab has come, that is one task is created. Then we have the coupon. Okay, so just click on coupon. Now here you can generate a coupon. So there is a coupon already. I'm generating it. Okay. And here you have the coupon code. Now you can send it. Okay, it's sent, right? This is the format. This will be the format in which this will be sent to the customer. Okay, so we are sending a coupon to DecoEdit. So I'm just clicking on send here. Okay, so we have sent a coupon. You can see the coupon has come here as a smart tab. Right, in the chatter, you can see the ticket is created. That message has come. That is, this message will be gone to DecoEdit, and this also, provides a preview of the ticket inside the website. Okay, now we have repair. If you want to start the repair and all, you can just click on repair there, and you have the repair description. So I'm giving new task, and the product to repair, you can choose it from here. No communication. I'll choose some other product. I'll put customizable desk. Okay, and the quantity, so it's just 1 unit. I'm putting it there, and the ticket, that ticket name is given there. That is by default it has come because it's from the ticket we created the repair, right? So here you have the option to choose the corresponding sale order and also the return. Okay, now here you have the option to add the parts. So if you just click on add a line and add the product, I'm putting it as leg. Okay, table leg. So you can see you have the option to provide the lot and serial number and all, and you can see the quantity. So I'm putting the quantity as two table legs. Okay, and you can see the price and all. So I'm putting it as such and confirming repair. Okay, so what is it? Okay, confirm. Let's confirm it. It's confirmed. Now here you have the button to start the repair. So I'm clicking on start repair. Okay, and once you finish the process, you can just click on end repair. So it will change to the state which is repaired. Okay, that is the problem is solved. So I'm clicking on end repair. Okay, let's provide a serial number. Okay, now click on end repair again. Okay, now it's in the state repaired. So that's how you set a repair from a ticket. Okay, so here you can see the smart tab has come as one repair. Now if you want to return it, just click on return here, and here from this window you can choose the product. The corresponding sale order has come, and also then you have the button which is return. Just click on return and this product will be returned. So click on return here. Okay, so you can just put in pack, validate, and then the return will be done. So I'm not doing that. Before that we have certain other options, right? Next we have the refund here. So click on refund. If you want to refund this product, for this product, you can do that from here. Okay, so here is the reason is nothing but because of the ticket. So I'm refunding it, and if you have invoice for the refund, you can give the invoice in this field, and the journal entries, that is the reversal date and all, can be marked here. So these are the possible things which we can do inside a ticket. Okay, so here you can see all the smart tabs which have come. Okay, so now it's in progress state. So if you go here more, you can see two options, which is solved and cancelled. So if you cancel this thing, you can mark cancelled, and if your problem is solved or if you solve the ticket, you can just click on solved here. So it has changed to solved. Okay, now that's how you create a ticket, and those are the operations you can do inside a ticket. Go to the configuration, open the teams. Inside the new team, you can see the SLA policies and all have updated, right? You have created one SLA policies regarding this team. Okay, now currently there are no tickets for this team and also no hours recorded. Okay, that's why it shows still 0, because our ticket is currently solved. Okay, then we also have the option to convert a lead into a ticket. Okay, we can do that in the CRM. Now let's go to the overview. Inside the overview, you can see the helpdesk overview, where you get the complete idea of how many tickets are there, how many of your tickets, how many with high priority and how many with urgent priority. So here you can see 5 urgent, 2 high priority, and in total you have 11 tickets. Okay, then you have the average open hours, and also the tickets which are failed under each category. Okay, then you have the performance here. Okay, now inside the my performance, you have 2 closed tickets, 100 success rate, and the average rating. Okay, then we have the average last 7 days, which is 6, and also you have the average last days in each section. Then we have the daily target. Okay, that's shown here. Then we have test, VIP, customer care, and new team, which are all the teams which we created, right? This new team is what we created. Now if you want to see the tickets inside these team, you can just click on tickets here. Click on the tickets. You can see the tickets. It will be under each stages, right? So this one is currently solved. That's why it's in solved. If you want, you can drag and drop it. Okay, if you want to cancel it, you can do that and all. Then here we have the tickets which are closed and also the success rate. So from here you can see that. Just click on tickets closed. So here you can see the ones which are closed in last 7 days. Okay, similarly we have the success rate also. The success rate is 100% inside this team. And here you can see the customer rating. Okay, the average rating corresponding to this team can be viewed here. Okay, that's all inside the help desk overview. Then we have filters, group by and favorites. Inside the filters, you have the option to filter on based on your team, the followed teams and also archived ones. Then we have the group by option where you can group by company, and also we have the favorites, which is similar to the other modules also which we have seen. Okay, now let's go to the ticket section. Here you have my tickets. So you can see all your tickets, that is Michelle Edmonds tickets can be seen here. Okay, so here you have the ID, the priority, name, team assigned to, customer, company, activities, SLA and SLA deadline, and also the stage. Okay, so if you put it in the Kanban view, inside the Kanban view, you can see the tickets, and inside the tickets you have the deadline also. You can see here tomorrow and all, right? You can see in 11 days. So these are the things which we put inside the SLA policies. According to that, they calculate the deadline. And let's go back. Here we have the activity. So you can schedule activities here by clicking on the schedule activity. You can schedule activities corresponding to any of these tickets. So I'll choose one ticket and I'll schedule an activity. So I'll schedule a meeting. Okay, open calendar. Okay, so here you can see the meeting. I've scheduled it today. That's why it's in the color orange. Okay, so this is inside the calendar. You can see the meeting scheduled. Okay, now let's go back. And here we have the pivot view of the tickets. Okay, it's a tabular format. Here also we have the filter, group by and favorites. Inside filter you have these many options to filter it based on. You have my team's ticket, my team, my department, followed, unassigned, so and so. And then you have the group by where you can group by team, stage, type, etc. And also the favorites menu, which is similar to all other modules. Then we have the graph view. Inside the graph view, you have the line chart, bar chart and also the pie chart. Okay, this is the analysis of the tickets. Okay, then inside the line and bar chart, as you all know, we have the option to sort it ascendingly and descendingly. Then finally, we have the cohort view. Okay, inside the tickets, these much views are available. Now here we have the cohort view. Currently, this shows my tickets. Now if you remove it, it will be corresponding to all tickets. Okay, so these much views are available inside the tickets. Okay, next we have the reporting section where you have the ticket analysis. Just clicking on that. So here you can see the ticket analysis. We have three kinds of view inside this, which is cohort, pivot and also the graph view. So currently we are viewing the graph view of the tickets. You can see each teams here, like the VIP support, test, new team and customer care, and also stages in different colors. Okay, so you can see how many tickets are in which all stage for which all team and all are very clearly displayed in this graph. We have the line chart, which also views the same data, and also the pie chart. Okay, then we have the pivot view, okay, which gives a complete idea about the ticket analysis. Then we have the cohort view. Okay, so this is the cohort view. So this is on a daily basis. If you want the result on a weekly basis, just click on week here. You have the option to view it based on a month and also based on a year, and also you can filter it from here. Okay, Next, inside the reporting, we have the SLA status analysis. Okay, so inside the SLA status analysis, you can see the SLA analysis. Okay, so we are creating SLA policies, right? So based on the SLA policy, the status analysis is done inside this. So here also we have three kinds of views, which are pivot, graph and cohort view. So this is the pivot view. You can see it based on the teams, okay, and also the policies which are created under each team. Then we have the graph view. Okay, so this is the graph view. You can see all the three teams which have SLA policies, and also we have the cohort view. Okay, so this is filtered based on the last 30 days. So results regarding the last 30 days are displayed here. Okay, so next we have the customer ratings. Okay, so the customer ratings can be given here. That is, this is the customer rating for Mark Demo by ReadyMat for a particular ticket. So similarly, all the customer ratings can be seen here. So this is the Kanban view of the customer rating. You have the list view. Okay, so here you can see the rating as status, which is dissatisfied, okay, satisfied, okay and all. Then we have the pivot view, that is the table analysis of the rating, and finally the graph view. Okay, so here we can see the line chart, the pie chart and all. Next we have, before that we also can view this graph based on measures. Okay, so here you can see the measure. Next, under the configuration, we have already come through the teams, right? We created the teams. So next we have the stages. So stages are nothing but the ones through which the ticket passes. That is, once the ticket is created, it's in the new state. Then it gets in progress, on hold, solved, done, cancelled and all. All those stages can be created here. So if you want to create a new stage, click on create and we'll create a new one, like one stage or something. And you can simply save it. Okay, so if you want to fold that in Kanban, just check this. Okay, you can set SMS template, email template and all inside this stages. So these are the stages. Okay, then we have the SLA policies that also we've gone through. We have the types again. So types, we've seen while creating a ticket, they are asking what type of a ticket is it. Is it a question or an issue? So similarly, I'm creating like a support. So if I need support, that can also be a ticket, right? So similarly, if you want, you can create types inside this, and every time you create a ticket, that type which you added now will also be included inside the types option. So that's how you create a type. So here you have the filter to filter it based on filter it based on custom filter. You can add custom group by and also the favorites menu. Then we have the canned responses. That's nothing but shortcuts for different big sentences. Okay, so if you just create one, so I'm creating hi. So I'm putting hi. Are you guys free? So if I just type hi, that means this message will come. So it is to save your time. Okay, so in substitution of this big sentence, we are putting shortcuts. So here you can see bye, thank you for your feedback, goodbye. Once you type bye, this thing will come. Okay, so here you can set canned responses, which is to make your time make your time make you consume less time. Okay, then here also we have the filters, group by and favorites. Okay, so these are the things which comes under the help desk module. So mainly we can create what tickets, manage everything regarding the tickets. We can create teams, manage teams, SLA policies, everything comes under one application, which is the help desk. That's all we have for you in the video. Thank you for watching.